weeds are gone and the pond's filling up with rainwater just like it should.
Another creature case closed.
Oh, no, it ain't. Look, the water still hasn't reached my eggs.
It will soon, ma'am. We just need to let the pond completely fill up with rain.
The rain stopped. No rain. No more water to cover my eggs.
Sam, we've got to figure out how to get some more water.
StoryBots, find the nearest water source. This way.
Well, hey, there's plenty of water in this pond.
Huh. Looks like it's stopped by all this wood.
Maybe if we move them out of the way, some water will flow out of this pond and into the mama salamanders.
It's worth a try. Come on.
What are you doing?
Who in the woolly world? Beavers.
Yep, and this is our dam.
Why are you taking apart our home, eh?
We are so sorry.
This is just a big misunderstanding.
Just down the way, there's a salamander who needs water or her eggs might not hatch.
We were just trying to find some water to bring to her eggs.
So, you need water for a salamander's eggs.
Oh, poor Mom.
Yeah, wish there's something we could do about it. Sorry, but if we move our dam, then our pond goes empty. You can't expect us to take apart our home.
No, of course not. But what if it's not take apart so much as improve it? Just a few improvements, enhancing the beautiful structure you've got going on to allow a teensy bit of water to trickle out of your pond into the salamanders.
I guess what we're asking is, how about being flexible?
We'll do it.
Really?
Oh, yeah. Our dam really could use some improvements.
This is great, but if we're going to get this done in time, we'll need to work together, and fast. Huh? Woo.
Sorry.
Ugh.
Thanks, Beavers. It's working. Water is flowing from the Beavers dam, and it's filling up the salamander's pond.
Another creature case closed.
Oh, no, it ain't. The water hasn't reached my eggs. See? It needs to completely cover them.
But the water, it's so close.
No, close ain't gonna cut it. My eggs need to be underwater, right here, right now.
Look, the eggs are in your family pond, and your pond is mostly full of water. Can't you just move them a little bit?
Excuse me? Do I have to remind you how fragile my eggies are?
How about this? We'll scoop up the sticks and leaves underneath your eggs so we can move them without touching them with our hands. Can't you just be a little flexible?
Okay, for my baby's sake. But we have to be so careful, okay?
Okay.
There. Phew. Look.
They're hatching.
Oh, my beautiful babies. Am I glad to see your faces?
Well, Kit, another creature case
Mm-hmm.
closed.